There's a simple free move that can lock all these thieves out of your credit for good. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how a security freeze on your credit works and how to use it as an unstoppable shield around your finances. What is a security freeze? A security freeze, also called a credit freeze, basically locks up your credit report so new lenders can't peek at it. In plain terms, it's like putting your credit file in a safe with a combination that only you know. When the freeze is on, even if a criminal has your name and social security number, they cannot open new loans or credit cards in your name because the lenders can't see your credit file to approve anything. You're basically telling the credit bureaus, no one can view my report unless I say so. Normally, your credit report is wide open. Lenders pull it whenever you apply. But when it's frozen, any outsider trying to open an account gets blocked instantly. The only way to get the credit, you unfreeze it first. A freeze does not hide existing accounts. It only stops new ones. You can use your credit cards, pay bill, everything. And it has zero impact on your credit score. Hidden benefits banks don't advertise. Why isn't everyone doing this? Because banks prefer selling you expensive credit locks or monitoring memberships. But a real credit freeze is 100% free, protected by federal law, and stronger than paid locks. A credit lock often costs money, may cover only one bureau, and does not give the same legal protection. Another perk, you can freeze your children's credit too, even if they don't have a credit file yet. This prevents thieves from using the child's SSN to open accounts. You can also freeze a spouse or elderly parent's credit with the right documents. A freeze gives you total control. Monitoring alerts you after the fraud, but a freeze blocks it before it ever happens. Step-by-step setup guide. You must freeze your credit at all three bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Each one has its own file. They don't share freezes. Number 1, gather information. First, name, address, SSN, and date of birth. Step number 2, visit each bureau's freeze page. Online is fastest. Phone is the second best. Step number 3, save your PIN. You will need it to unfreeze later. Step number 4, repeat for all three. That's it. The freeze is active within 1 business day. Common myths and mistakes. Myth number 1, a freeze lowers your credit score. False. It has zero impact. Myth number 2, it costs money. Nope. Federal law made freezes completely free. Mistake. Forgetting your freeze is on. If you apply for a loan, apartment, or phone plan while frozen, it gets blocked. Just unfreeze temporarily, then refreeze afterward. Online unfreeze takes under 1 hour. Myth number 3, freezing stops all identity thieves. A freeze only stops new credit fraud. It does not stop debit card thieves, email hacking, and medical fraud, etc. You still need the strong password and basic security habits. Real life example. A colleague had her SSN exposed in a data breach, but she already had a freeze. When thieves tried applying for a credit card in her name, the lenders got blocked instantly. Loan denied. Zero damage. She simply refroze the account after checking the alert. The FTC recommends freezes for exactly this reason. They stop thieves before they can do anything. When and how to temporarily lift a freeze. When applying for first credit card, loans, mortgage, apartment, utilities, phone plan, you must thaw your freeze. Just log into the bureau, enter your PIN, and unfreeze for a specific lender or for a time window, like for example 1 day, 1 week, etc. By law, online unfreeze must happen within 1 hour. Once done, refreeze immediately. If you don't know which bureau a lender uses, lift all three just to be safe. Long-term protection strategies. Keep your credit frozen by default. Unfreeze only when needed. Check your reports yearly. Protect passwords and email. Set up fraud alerts if you suspect anything. Educate your family and freeze theirs too. You have it, credit freezing demystified and unleashed. A security freeze is like a drawbridge you control. Keep it rise for maximum protection and only lower it when you invite someone in. It's one of the most powerful and strongest and completely free financial shields you can use. If you're worried about identity thieves, freeze your credit tonight. You'll sleep better knowing thieves cannot touch your financial life. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Fnipra, smash that like button and share it with someone who needs to protect their credit. Drop questions in the comment. I read everyone. And check out the videos on your screen to learn how to get your free credit reports. Stay safe, keep your credit locked tight, and see you in the next video.